disrupt with new things. So in order to be that, it's absolutely essential that we have a strong base in STEM subjects. So science, technology, engineering, mathematics. So that base is absolutely essential if we are interested in pursuing this field. But even if you're thinking of any other field, we feel it's really essential because that will be the base for whatever that's relevant in the future. Because I mean, especially today with what we're going through, I think we really see the role that technology is playing and how much impact it has. So this is just the foundation for it, and because of our focus with STEM and our interest in kind of encouraging you all to look at STEM subjects as a future path, because some of you all are doing your O-levels, just stepping into A-levels, or just finishing your A-levels this year. So we think this will be a good base for you all to get an idea about the potential. So that's why we partnered with STEMUP Foundation, which is doing just that. So their goal is also to kind of interest you all in this field and to kind of open your eyes to what's possible. So their model is also quite different. It's not just about the coding, the programming and technical skills, but as I mentioned, the logic, the problem solving, the creative thinking and all of that. So this is just the first session and we have several lined up for you all. But I'll hand it over to Shamira, who's from the STEMUP Education Foundation, to give you all a bit more detail on the program in itself and how it goes forward. But yes, from the AI Academy, I'm happy to welcome you all and to start this session. If you all have any questions about our programs or this particular program, just feel free. I think all of you all have my email ID. Just drop a note. I'm happy to clarify anything. So with that, Shamir, I'll hand over to you to talk about STEMUP and how this class will proceed.
Can you hear me, Sajindi? Okay. Give me one. Okay. So, okay. Hi. Good morning, all. So, I am Shamira from STEMUP. So, let me just start with sharing my screen to just give you some information which I want to share. Okay. So, first thing is, I would like to share our partnership with AI Academy. That we are grateful to have a partnership with kind of a artificial intelligence academy in Sri Lanka. So our focus is towards like deliver some content related to AI side in partnership with artificial intelligence. And so I will give you a small brief for this STEMUP. So most of you may have heard about STEMUP. STEMUP is a non-profit educational foundation. So it was started in 2016. And so we are partnered with global channels like Code Dojo, Raspberry Pi, Scratch. There are a lot of programs we do, Hour of Code. So this is what I want to share. So our impact so far for the starting from the 2016. So we have done 250 plus awareness session, 15,000 plus children empowered in Sri Lanka, 20 plus mini hackathons, 100 plus hands-on training, and we have done train the trainer programs, teacher training, volunteer training, more than 30 plus. So this is what we have done so far, and today onwards we are again increasing our numbers by partnering up with AI Academy to deliver a special course program. Totally free for anyone can join. So basically our team, we have our own directors for this STEMUP, and our main resource is our volunteers. So we have more than 600 plus registered volunteers and 10 plus global platforms, which support Sinhala, Tamil, multilingual, everything. And we cover all the 25 districts in Sri Lanka. So for you guys also, if you like to support a school having this kind of sessions or any kind of thing, you can directly request. So these are our main programs. So Code Dojo Sri Lanka, this is the first one. We are started with AI Academy, online dojo, and it's going to be converted to offline dojo very soon. And we have Microbit Slug. Podanta Machine Learning, and Raspberry Jam, STEM Ambassador and STEM applications, publications. So today program, what we are going to start is going to be a mix between Code Dojo and Podanta Machine Learning. The content, I will give a brief about the content as well. So that is all actually I want to highlight. And these are the founders and directors of the STEMUP Foundation. So I just wanted to thank them and highlight them. So this is their initiative about STEMUP. So I will move into today's program. Okay. So this program we name it as Young Innovators with AI Academy and STEMUP. So this one we have 15 live sessions we have planned. So today we are going to start with Hour of Code, which will give you a very like beginner level start for coding. I would say by beginner level, because if you see our course content, it is going to be cover up to the AI part, machine learning, neural network, neural language, kind of a thing. So our program, the benefits of our program is the person who doesn't have a clear idea about programming also can join and start with us. So right now in our audience, I know there are more than 20 participants in this, but there might be different knowledge level. There might be advanced people, there might be beginner people, but our course content is straight. So today we are going to start from Hour of Code, and the second one is Scratch. And Scratch, there are programs, two programs, Scratch 1 and Scratch 2. So it's as an example, our code will be you are just playing around with kind of a games and understanding concept likewise. And the third program is you are going to build what you are using today. So that's kind of advanced program you are looking at. So then fourth programs onwards, we are going to have fundamentals of artificial intelligence, and there are two programs on that, and machine learning, applications for AI, and deep learning and neural networks, AI for good, and natural language processing and chatbots agents. So this is your future actually. So we have planned this. So I request you guys to be with us. Today program might be feel you like it is very basic. Yes, it is basic, just because we want to make sure that we are starting from the basic concepts. So I would like to invite our, sorry, there's one slide. So this is what we are going to do today. So we are going to focus on Hour of Code. Minecraft is a game, but you have to code. To play this, you end of the program, you get a certificate from Hour of Code team, and you will see this image. So there are a few requests before we start the session. First thing is always mute yourself. If you really wanted to ask a question, I'm sharing this my screen. So I hope you can see my screen right now. On your Teams, this Microsoft Teams toolbar, you will see this hand icon. So if you want to ask a question, just click on that. We will get an alert that you want to ask something. So then we will give you an opportunity to raise your question. And once your question is answered, again, please click on that to clear off your request. And if you need to ask any questions, you can use the chat program. You can chat it there. So my request is always keep your mic mute so then our presenter can continue the program. And this is not going to be a typical webinar. This is going to be a virtual classroom. So you have opportunity to ask, you have the opportunity to work with us. So our presenter will say you, okay, open this, and you are just working with us. You are not going to just listen and sit. Okay, so I hope that you have a better idea about what you're going to do. So our present is Mala. Mala is our very good volunteer and hard worker in our organization. So Mala, it's up to you.
Hi everyone, so welcome to the first session with Dojo along with AI Academy. So today we are going to talk about what is programming, and we are going to give you the basic idea of programming, and also we are going to do a small session about the basics of coding. Coding, or in other words, programming. So let me give you a small introduction about myself and start with the presentation. Okay, so I'm a senior volunteer at STEMUP organization, and I'm Rajendran Pushpamalar. I am a second year student studying at NIBM, and also I'm an e-learning developer at IFS R&D Internationals. Okay, so now let's see what is coding, or what is a computer program is. So first of all, I would like to explain you what is a computer program is. So a computer program is a set of instructions that a computer follows to complete a task. Coding, or else programming, means writing the step-by-step instructions that tells the computer to do. So that means what it means is, for example, most of the time we get instructions from our parents regarding something that we need to do. Most of the time we follow those instructions, or else we may not follow. But the computer is not like that. Whatever the instruction we give, it will be following that instruction. So those instructions are fed into the computer through a code, or else we can say through a program. So to continue that process, what we do is we give instructions step by step. Not at once we go and tell to the computer, but step by step we give all the instructions for the computer to carry out the function that we need to do. So that's what a computer program means. So today, in the current world, you can see the whole world is surrounded by computer programs. There are many devices, gadgets, there are different stuff, but all of them are surrounded by the computer codings. That means whatever the device that we are using, it's basically using these computer codings. The programs are the ones that run those gadgets and devices. And also these machines are following the step-by-step instructions that are written by a computer programmer. A computer programmer is a person who writes those codes in order to fulfill the task. So whatever the task that is given by the computer programmer, the computer follows those instructions, and those instructions compiled and they are being run as you want. Okay, so now let's discuss more about the gadgets that we are using. So for example, let's take the cell phones. So basically, if we take a cell phone, most of the time there are many things that we are doing through a cell phone. We send messages, we take calls, or else we play games, we find different contacts. So all those things are done through the computer programs. The computer programs are basically embedded with uh, all these cell phones or mobile phones, whatever the device you are using, it is containing some kind of a code through which that program can be run. So cell phones are basically using computer programs to make you available around your loved ones or the people whom you want to talk. So now let's see what is a computer software. So everything that runs in a computer, from browsing the computer to writing a Word document or playing some music, working with some computer programming stuff, or whatever thing you're doing, everything is basically relied on a computer software. So most of the time there are computer softwares through which we can make our life tasks very easy. For example, if you want to type something, a document, we use Word. If you want to code something, we use different coding languages such as uh, Java, PHP. So for all those things, we are using different softwares. So other than that, even if you want to play a music, then also we are using some kind of computer software. So all those computer softwares are basically made through coding. And the most interesting part is we all like games. So most of the time, all these games are made up of codes. So all the graphics, sounds, and the controls that are in the game are made by a computer code. The computer code is the one that enables all the tasks, and most of the time the basic example that we can take is the washing machine that we have at our homes. So even the washing machine is made up of some kind of a computer program. It controls the hotness of the water and everything. And let's even take, for example, even we can take cars. In some of the cars, computer programs monitor the speed, temperature, and they calculate the amount of fuel. And these computer programs help the people to be safe and do their daily task efficiently and easily. So okay, so let's get started with our program today. Let's move into a small computer program and let's see how far we can do it. Okay, go to your Chrome browser and type hour of code. I hope you two would be doing along with me.
Mala, I think you can share the link on chat.
Yeah, sure.
And appreciate if you could just minimize that the small box in Teams. You can minimize that. Is
Okay,
distract
sure.
the your screen.
Here I have shared the link with you all, so you can go to this link, click that link so that you can go to the program that we are doing today. So once when you go to that screen, you have Minecraft Adventure. So this is the program that we are going to do today. This is the one that we are going to get started. I wish I could see your screens as well.
And Mala, it's better if you can a little bit slow on steps because I see there's a small lag between the screen and the voice. So when you follow a step, just have a little pause on that. Then our audience can just follow the same thing.
Yeah, okay, yeah, sure.
Okay. So I have shared from the audience if you can just chat when you are ready with the program, you have opened it. So then it is easy to us to just see all the people are working with us. Thank you.
Shafran, Tharani, Razik are ready. So yes. Yes, we need to open this program. So then only we can continue. Yeah, okay. So let's continue. So go to your Chrome browser, and once when you go to that link, you will be getting a page like this. Then once when you get this, just go to this Minecraft adventure and start it. So as soon as you start, there will be a video appearing. Just close it. And now from here you can choose a character. Either you can select Steve or Alex. So I'll be selecting Alex. So here what they are saying is add a second move forward block to reach the ship. I see someone having a problem. Please, it won't load. Sorry, I lost connection.
So I'll be sending the URL back again, please. Okay, Mala, I think if you can just switch off your video, maybe it will be a little bit okay.
Yeah, okay.
So then it will be a little bit fast. Okay, now great. Now
Yes.
it's working fine. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So what I have been saying is to start with this. Here we have shared a link with y'all, so you can see that link. Go to that link. Once when you go to that link, you will be getting a page. You will be getting this page. So once when you get that page, just click on start button. So when you start, you will be getting a video. Just close it. I hope up to now that part, up to that part, everything is clear. Yes, okay. So let's get started. It seems like most of you all are okay with this, but even at least any one of you all have a problem, just drop me a message so that I can answer you then and there.
Yeah. Just make you all you guys selected the right game. The first one, Malis, you are working on aquatic one, right?
Uh, no, I'm working on the Minecraft Adventurer.
Yes. Adventure, great.
Yeah. So this is the one. This Minecraft Adventurer one is the one we'll be working today, but later on we'll be moving into different sessions as well. So let's get started with this Minecraft adventure. Close the audio as well. Close the video as well. Then select any of the characters that you want from these two, either Steve or Alex. It depends on your wish. I'll be selecting Alex.
Mala, I think we cannot see your screen. It's better if you can reshare. Share.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good. Now we can see.
Yes, okay, then I'll go from the beginning. So once when you go to that link, you have this Minecraft Adventurer. So this is the one. I hope you can see this. You can see my mouse point as well. So when you go to there, just click start and get start with that. You'll be getting a video. Just close it. There are two characters, Steve and Alex. Either you can select Steve or Alex. So what I'll be doing is I'll be selecting Alex. Then okay, so let's get started. So before getting started with the program, I would like to explain you some of the basics of computer science. So in a traditional program, the traditional code that we write, what we see is it's basically some blank, it's basically a blank page in which we write different different texts. It's mostly text. There won't be any images or anything. But what we do through through our program is, once when our program is on, we can create different images, different instructions and all. So but here what we are doing is, here we are going to add some block codes. That means basically you are going to drag and drop some of the blocks here to this workspace. So before going into the session, I would like to explain you all about this screen. So this screen has three parts. The first part or the left part is the workspace. This part, we can call it as the workspace, or else we can call it as the play space. Because like we call it as the play space because we are getting blocks from here and we just run this and see. So this is the place where we are playing. So it is called as the workplace or the play space. And the other thing is the middle one. So it is the toolbox. You have all the tools here. So what you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop all those tools from here to the workspace and you're going to run the program. And when you go to the right side, you have the instruction space. So here what you do is you will be playing the game, or else you will be giving some instructions through this place, and those instructions will be executed in this place. So when you run the program, you can see the instructions are running. So for an example, so if I run, so here when run, move forward, that means you have to move forward. So for example, so you can see that. So whatever the block you are adding from here to the workspace, you can see that. So those are the parts of the screen. And other than that, what I wanted to tell you all is block code. Like when we are talking about these block codes, they are mostly used by the beginners. That means at once we can't go for huge text programmings, but before that we need a small starting point. So as a starting point, we can use block codings like this. So this is a basic one. So once when you complete this, you can go for scratch, and from there you can little by little develop yourself into very advanced programs. And other than that, when you take a computer program, there are three parts in a computer program. The first one is the command, the second one is the repeat loops, and the third one is the if statements. So all about those things I'll be talking little by little once when we are going more into our program. So first of all, I'll be talking about the commands. So a command means you're asking someone to do something, you're giving an instruction. So that is what called as command. So here also you can see a command, move forward. You're asking this person who is, you're asking Alex to move forward. So that is a command that you're giving to Alex. So I hope up to this part you're clear with. Is there any doubts that I need to clarify? No, okay. Seems all good. Okay, so let's get started with our first program. So they are saying add a second move forward block to reach the ship. So in this program, what you have to do is you have to reach the ship who is here. So how are we going to reach the ship? So already when run move forward, that means the move forward command is already given, but again we have to add a move forward instruction to reach the ship. We just need to reach the ship. And the other thing is, in workspace you can see this 3 out of 3 blocks. That means you have to add 3 blocks to complete this computer program. That's what it means. So shall we see whether this is correct? Okay. So once when your task is complete, the puzzle completed, congratulations, you get a pop-up message like this saying that you have successfully completed that first stage. So let's give continue. Is there any doubt? Are there any doubts regarding the first session that we did? First exercises? No, okay, all good. Yes, okay. Seems good. So let's move into the second activity. So in the second one, what they are saying is wood is a very important resource. Many things are made from it. Walk to the tree and use destroy block command to chop it. So what you need to do is you have to move near the tree and you have to chop the tree. So that is the instruction that we are getting. So you have to add your commands and destroy the tree here. So I would like you all to tell me the steps rather than I'm doing. So this time you all instruct me so that I can do the program rather than me doing.
Now this
So
time
what
you
would be
can
the next step?
unmute yourself and you can talk. So
Yes.
session can be interactive. You can ask the question, Mala.
Yes, so Razik has told move forward, destroy block. So let me try what Razik has told. Move forward, destroy block. So this is the command that I got from Razik. Let me try it. Yes. Very good, Razik. So your step is working properly. Okay, let's give continue and see the third part of the Minecraft game today. So in the third part, it's saying sheep shearing time. So you have to shear these two sheeps now. Use the shear command to gather wool from both sheep. So what you have to do is you have to go near this sheep and you have to shear the wools. So that is what is going to do now. So again, I would like to get your instructions to do it. Okay. Shivani, don't know whether I'm pronouncing correctly, but Shivani is asking me to move forward. Okay, let me do that. Sorry. Move forward. Move forward.
And she also there.
Shear. Okay.
Mala, what we do is when they comment on the chat, I will let you know. So when you are shifting the screens, there is a little bit delay.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's better.
Okay, so share. So this
So I'm
is
waiting for
yeah,
your response.
yeah, sure. So now the screen with us as per the Shivani's instruction. That's all. So we can run and check. Is it?
Yes. Yeah, sure. Let's see whether it works.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. So here in the instruction they say gather wool from both sheep. That means not only from one. We have to gather both these sheep. So already we have completed in the first one. So we have to try with the other sheep as well. So
Yes,
I
okay.
need the command to move to the next sheep.
Shivani and the Imad, everyone saying that the next step should be turn right, move forward, and share.
Turn right, move forward, shear. Okay, let me try. Yes, exactly. So what you were saying was working perfectly.
Yes. Sorry if we pronounce your names mistaken in a different way. Sharfan, you want to talk, right? You can just unmute yourself and you can talk. So maybe you might be trying to answer the question, isn't it?
Yes, sir. He did this. It's okay. Same thing.
Okay, great. So it's better like if you can do like this. If you just click on the raise hand button and we will ask that person to talk, then you can unmute yourself and you can answer. Okay, Mala, you can continue the next step.
Yeah, okay. I'll continue. So before that, what I wanted to say is, so the program that we have run now is a program that is usually contain which usually contain 11 lines of codes, but here we have completed it in 6 lines. That's because it's a block coding. Okay, so we have moved into the fourth activity. So here what you need you need to do is we need to build a house before the sun goes down. Houses require a lot of food. Cut down all. So in this Minecraft game, so what Alex is going to do is he need to build a house before the sun goes down. So for that he need to cut all these 3 trees. So now I need instructions to cut all these trees. But already there are some instructions given here. So I'll run them and show up to which part we can go and the instructions that I'm willing from you. Okay.
Shivan, you can talk.
Yes. Okay. From this place, I
I'm
need your
Shivan.
response.
Okay, Shivan. Sorry, thank you for correction.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay. Shafan, you want to talk?
Yes, sir. Use three move forward and destroy block.
Okay. Okay. Sure. 3 move forward blocks and sorry,
Destroy.
destroy block. Okay.
Yeah.
So shall I run and see the program how far we can go?
Yes.
Okay.
Shafan, you have to click the icon again to switch off your raise hand command.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, done. Thank you so much for your instructions and it works properly. So we have another tree left. Anyone who can try that as well?
Okay. Yes, you are open to talk.
I have done it. The code.
You can just let us know the instructions from beginning.
Hello.
Hello. Yes, we are waiting for your response.
Yeah, it's move forward. 3 move forward.
Okay, that's already there.
Destroy block. Turn left.
Okay.
3 move forward. Destroy
Okay.
block. Turn left.
Okay.
3 move
Okay.
forward. Destroy block.
Turn left. How many move forwards? 3.
3.
Yeah. Okay. And then destroy.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see how it works. Yeah, well done. So it's also working perfectly. So we can move to the next level. Okay, so before moving to the next level, I would like to explain you something. So in the previous code, we saw we were using too many move forward blocks. So instead of using those too many move forward blocks, we can do another thing. So that is we can add a loop. So a loop means a repeat loop means it's a repeat loop. That means you are going to continue a task again and again. You are going to do something again and again. For whatever the task that you are going to do again and again, you can add a repeat loop so that you don't have to do the same thing again and again. Within one step, you can minimize the number of steps that you are going to take later. Okay, so anyone who is willing to try this part with this repeat loop? Anyone interested? So here what we have to do is every house start with a wall. Build the first part of your house by putting the place and move forward commands inside the repeat loop. So Alex is going to build his home. He is going to build the first wall of his house. So what we have to do is we have to give commands for him to build the walls. So that is what we need to do here. So can anyone instruct me?
You guys open to talk. Just make interactive this session.
Yeah, there are no hard and fast rules. There are no right or wrong answers. You are open to talk whatever you need to clarify or you need to share with us.
Yes, Shafan, go ahead.
First, we want to place the brick plan.
Sorry. So,
The second one, the place the bridge plan in that repeat block.
okay, inside the repeat block, I have to
Yeah.
place the bridge plank.
Yeah.
Okay, that's done.
Then move forward.
Is it inside the repeat loop or outside the
No,
repeat
no,
loop?
outside the loop.
Okay, outside the loop, I have to place move forward.
Move forward. And
Okay.
again, place repeat 4 times after the move forward.
Okay.
Then put it in bridge plank into that loop.
Okay.
Then outside put move forward.
Okay.
Then put repeat 4 times. Then put it bridge plank.
Okay.
Move forward.
Yeah, done.
Last time repeat 4 times.
So
Put it
inside.
bridge
Okay.
bridge plank inside.
Yeah. Okay.
That is a rule.
Okay. So let's see what happens here. But let me share you something. So here in the workspace, you can see 4 blocks. That means throughout this workspace, you only have to add 4 blocks to complete this code. But unfortunately, we have added 12 blocks. So usually a repeat block is used to stop the repeat task again and again. So what we have done here is we have repeated the same thing again and again through a repeat block as well. So we can remove all these things. So if you want to delete something, just remove from the place that you have to delete and just drop it to this block session. So now you can see 4 by 4. That means all these 4 out of 4 are there, but I don't know it's correct or not. Anyone having any kind of comment regarding this?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can we do like this? Inside the repeat loop,
Yes.
birch planks and move forward.
That means you're asking me to place both these things inside the repeat loop.
Yes.
Okay, done. So let's see. Exactly. So that's what we need to do. All the time we have to follow this one. If it says 4 out of 4 blocks, then we have to only use 4 blocks. Okay, let's go for the 6th part. So here they are saying let's build a house. Choose floor plan for your house, easy, medium, hard. They have given us 3 floor plans. So which one do you all like to choose?
Medium.
Yeah, okay, let's go for the medium one. Okay, they have already given us some steps. When run, repeat 6 times, move forward, place, bridge plank. So that means So here already they have given us some steps. So in the next part, we have to build the remaining part of this house. So let's run and see how up to which part we can run this program. Yeah, up to this part, the house is built. So there are some more to be built. I would like to get your instructions. It's just Shafran. I can see that you wanted to talk to me.
No, no. Wait,
Yeah, sure, try. So I would like to talk. I would like to get some steps from Chani, if I'm not mistaken. Chani, what do you think that we have to do next? Chani? Or
Hello.
else,
Hi.
yes.
Yeah, so I just copy pasted the code. But basically it's on turn right, then repeat twice.
Wait.
Yeah,
Turn right. Then?
repeat twice,
Okay.
and I inserted into that move forward and place birch planks.
Okay. Move forward. Yes, done. So shall I run this and see up to which part we can proceed?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Exactly, Chani. So it's correct. So we have two more parts. So next I would like to ask Sattar Abdul Hafil. Abdul, so can I get an answer from you now? Abdul? Okay. What Abdul says is I think you all can unmute the mic and speak so that I can interactively show you my screen and work with you all. So
Yes, it is
Abdul,
difficult to switch off. Yeah, you guys
so
can
Abdul,
talk.
can we talk, please?
Yes.
Yeah, Abdul. So what is the next step after this?
Turn right, repeat 2 times to place this thing, move
Okay,
forward.
turn right, repeat 2 times.
2 times,
Yes, okay, repeat 2 times.
place rich plants,
Okay,
and move forward into the repeat.
okay, so does this move forward has to come before the place bridge plank or after the bridge plank?
After the bridge plan.
Okay. Okay, so let me run this program and see. Abdul, can you see there is a small issue? I think we have to exchange these two. I mean, this move forward should come here. So it basically means you have to move forward and then bridge the plank. So that's what it means.
Yes.
I think we have to, this repeating 2 times is not enough, I guess. We have to add 3 times.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes, exactly. Now we are there. So next, for the next part, I would like to ask Max. Max, can I get an answer for the next part? For the last part? Seems no response from Max.
Excuse me.
Yes.
After the turn right,
Yes.
repeat loop, place a repeat loop.
You're asking me to do it after this. So
No. After this, again turn left.
okay, after this again turn left.
Turn left, move forward.
Okay, move forward.
Place birch planks.
Okay, place birch planks.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Then a repeat loop.
Okay.
Inside that, move forward.
Uh, can I know your name?
I'm Shivon.
Yeah, Shivon. So are you saying it from the beginning or are you saying for the last part?
No, last part.
Okay. So
In,
inside the repeat loop?
inside the repeat loop, move forward, then place birch planks.
Place birch planks. Okay. So shall I try this?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So Shivon, let me tell you a more simpler step than this. Because I think we have, it's correct. It's exactly correct. But the thing is, I think we have added too many steps there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So can we simplify it? can we add like can we add a repeat block and reduce the number of steps?
Mm,
Others also can talk and suggest.
Yeah, of course.
Mala, you may continue after looking for 15 or 10 seconds.
Yeah, okay. So, okay, then let's continue with the next one. Okay, so here it's good to plan ahead. Plant crops on both sides of the water so you don't get hungry later on. So that means when you are hungry, you need to eat. So to eat, you need some kind of plant. So what Alex is going to do is he is going to plant something. So now what we have to do is we have to give Alex instructions regarding how he is going to plant the plants, plant those crops. So this time I would like to go to Russia, if I'm not mistaken. I would like to get the steps from Russia. So here we have to use 11 blocks. You can see here 11 blocks are needed to be used. And I'm expecting those from Russia. Not all the 11 steps, at least few, like only the few steps to move from here, from this place to this place.
You put the repeat loop,
Okay,
and inside that you put plant crop and move forward.
plant crop, move forward. Okay, let me try. Yes, that's correct, Rachel. Thank you. So for the next few steps, shall we have Akif? Akif,
Hello.
yes,
So it's turn right, move forward,
turn right, move forward. Okay,
move forward again,
forward. Okay,
then turn right,
okay,
then put the repeat loop, which
okay.
is 7 times.
7 times.
Yeah,
Okay,
and then the plant crop,
okay.
and then move forward.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, Akif. Let's try it.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Yes, exactly. Your steps are correct, Akif. So we have completed the 7th one as well. So by the way, I hope all of y'all are following with me. Is that so?
Just please type yes if you are all guys are doing it.
Yes.
Or else we like to know how what is the step you are currently in. Maybe if you are finished. Can I get the steps black, please? Mala, just if you can, you have cleaned that part, right? There's one request from Shuan asking the steps. Is it the previous one, Shuan?
the 7th one.
Yeah, sure. I'll explain you, Shivan. So let me go into the seventh one again. So in the seventh one, we have to plant crops on both these side of this waterway. So for that, he starts run. Then we have to repeat loop, and inside the repeat loop, we have to plant crop and move forward 6 times. That means he's going to take steps and he's going to plant 6 times. So that is why we are adding a repeat loop at this point. And next, we need to turn him right. That means from this place, he need to turn right, and then he need to move 2 steps forward. And then he need to turn right again. And so once when he turned right again, we need to add a repeat loop with 7 times, and then inside that repeat loop we need to place plant crop and move forward, because he need to plant the crop 7 times and he need to move forward 7 times. So is that clear, Siobhan?
Yeah,
Do you
clear.
need? Yes.
Yes, clear.
Okay. Yes, that's nice. So anyone else having any other questions? Yeah, seems all good. Finished. Yes. Done. Yes. Looks good. Okay. So now let's move into the eighth step. Eighth part, eighth part of the Minecraft game. So here running into a creeper is a bad idea. So carefully move past the creepers and reach the safety of your home. So what here we have to do is here we have to instruct Alex to move into his home safely without running into these creepers. So here we have to use 9 blocks of codes. This time I would like to ask, it seems like Sharfan is having some question.
No, miss. I think I got extra one block, so I want to reduce that. Please give some time. I finished the code, but it came 10 blocks.
In this in the
Yeah,
eighth
8
one.
one.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
8
okay. So can you tell me your steps? Let's try and see. So after that we
okay.
can remove the unnecessary one.
Okay. Just when run, repeat 4 times, move forward.
Repeat 4 times, move forward. Okay.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Repeat 4 times, move
Repeat
forward.
4 times, move forward.
Turn left.
Turn left.
Repeat 2 times, move forward.
Repeat 2 times, move forward.
Turn right.
Turn right. So let me run this program and see where we have mistaken. It's correct, but it shows like we have added one more extra block here. So anyone having some other idea to reduce this number of blocks? Can I get any of your help to do it? Shani, can you help us with this?
Yeah, I'm just doing it, but I got a little stuck. So my one was when run, turn left, repeat 3 times. In that it's move forward, and then turn right.
Can you pause? Yeah, Chani. Can you tell from the beginning so that I can try your steps now? Yeah.
Okay. So I got it right. I'm still doing it, but what I've done up to is it's from when run, then it's turn left, then then repeat 3 times.
Okay.
And within the 3 times is move forward.
Okay.
And then there is a turn right.
Inside the repeat block or the outside?
No, outside. Outside, turn right.
Okay.
And then move forward.
Okay.
And I'm stopped there.
Yeah, okay.
Shall I help with the rest?
Yeah,
yes,
sure.
you go.
Yeah. Okay. After move forward, turn left.
Turn left. Okay.
Move forward.
Move forward.
Then turn right.
Then turn right.
And move forward.
Forward.
That's it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try. Thank you, Chani and Rachel. Yes, it's also correct, but still we have exceeded the number of code blocks that they are asking to place. So this time, let me show you another method. So we'll keep these two sets away. So when you run, then you have to turn left. Okay, so once when you turn left, then you have to add a repeat block for 3 times, and inside the repeat block, place a move forward. So again, take another repeat 3 times block, and inside the repeat block,
sorry, your screen has frozen a little. I think it's lagging a little.
Okay, so I'll just pause for a while then.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Yeah, okay, sure. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's catching. It's still lagging, but I think it's catching up.
Yeah, okay. So let me explain the steps that I'm going to use. So first of all, I'm going to add a turn left. And then, so here I'm going to use the most shortest path that we can take. So for the shortest path, I'm going to first turn left, and I'm going to add a repeat block and move 3 times from there. Okay, so again, I'm going to add another repeat block, and inside that repeat block, inside that repeat loop, I'm going to add turn left, turn right, and move forward. Again, turn left and move forward. So up to this place, are you all clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So let me try. So here we have completed exactly in 9 steps. Okay. So let's continue with the 9th one. Hope up to that part everything was clear. Any doubts?
Can you give me 1 second? I just want to try it. Just 1 second. Please.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks.
Welcome. It seems it's working for Chani. Okay, so let's continue with the ninth one. So in the ninth task, what they are asking us to do is you will find the most valuable resources underground, but it can get dark. Place at least two torches and mine at least two coals. So here what they are saying is in ground we are finding so many resources, so many valuable resources are found in the ground. So here what they are asking us to do is they are asking us to mine some coal, but for that it might get dark. So they are asking us to take a torch at least 2 times and mine at least 2 times. So okay, I'm waiting for your instructions to proceed with this as well. So this time let's see what I didn't hear anything from Max, so I would like to know something from Max. Yeah, okay. So yes, Max. So just unmute your mic and please let me know about the steps so that we can proceed. So is that the same with everyone? So do you all get some lagging while I'm speaking? So is it lagging or are you finding it a bit hard to follow up? Right, yes. Yeah, okay. So anyone else who can answer for this problem? Anyone who can instruct me to do this? Siobhan, why don't you give a try now?
I'm trying still. I'm coding it.
Okay, and then what about Shafran? Sharfwan, if I'm not
Oh,
mistaken.
it's okay. I am also trying.
You're also trying.
Can I
Uh,
have I have a silly question. How do I turn off the music? I'm trying to figure it out. It's distracting me. If you could just help me with that, thanks.
Simple way is you can just right click on the tab and you can say mute. A tab in the sense browser tab, right click on it. There's option called mute to I think. Have you found? Mala, on your screen, can you right click on the browser tab?
yeah.
Please right click on the open tab. No, in the tab title. No, not in there.
Okay.
I just say in the title bar, not top of that. The code.org Minecraft Hour of Code, that title, on that title.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay.
is that the one is currently open?
Yes, that's the one currently open.
If you right click on it, you will see a kind of a option called mute to, you can see, right? That's a little.
Even I'm
Perfect.
finding
Got it. I got it. Thank
You
you.
got it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yeah, okay. So,
Hi, can I try now?
yeah, of course, sure.
So the first is when run, turn left.
Wait, Akif, sorry, can you instruct me from the beginning?
Yeah, the second block is turn left.
Okay, turn left.
Then the repeat block, which is 3 times.
Okay, done.
Then destroy block inside that.
Okay, done.
Then place torch.
Okay.
Move forward. Inside that,
Okay.
everything is inside that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. Okay, that's all.
Okay. Let me run the program and see.
It is correct.
Yes, it seems to be working. So,
thank you.
Welcome. So, are all of you all clear up, Chani?
Yes.
Yeah,
Once
okay.
more, that screen.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, sure, fine.
Thank you.
So I hope all of you all have completed up to this part. So I'll be moving into the 10th part of our game today, or the program that we are doing today. So there, yes.
Can you
Okay.
please show the 9th one?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, in the 9th one, they are asking to find some coal and have at least 2 torches. So here for that, what we are doing is we are going to turn left, and then we are going to add a destroy block. Sorry, add a repeat block, and inside that repeat block, we are going to add a destroy block, place the torch, and we are going to move forward. So by adding the repeat block, all these like individual tasks will be replicated. So is all good?
Yeah, okay.
Sharfan?
Thank you. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, welcome. So what about others? All good, right? Yes. Seems fine. Yeah, all good. Imad. I think I didn't speak to Imad before. Okay.
So, small question. Is there anyone who have completed all levels?
Excuse me.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I completed the 10th one.
Okay, great. So if you guys know, just carry on, but focus on, because Mala will explain you in some places how you can reduce the steps, because that is the concept we want to get from this session. Like, it's not like completing the level. So you have to think, is there any other way we can reduce the number of code lines? Maybe you can have the set of codes inside another loop. Those are the things you have to identify.
Yes, exactly.
I have completed in 8 blocks.
In 8 blocks. Okay, just highlight them when we are ongoing. Okay, there's a maybe Mala also, just to give the idea to others, she will be doing this. If you see there is another way of doing by reducing the lines, just come and talk. So there are a person who have completed the 12 one as well. Okay, carry on.
Yeah,
and just
it
make sure
sounds
that
good.
you create your account as well in our code. Then you can complete the all the goals as well. Okay, go ahead, Madam.
Yes. Okay. So just like just like you got the instructions. So now let's move into the 10th one. So before moving into the 10th one, I think we haven't spoken to Lakindu. So Lakindu, can you please give me the steps for this next part? I would like to get some idea from you as well, because in this instruction what we have to do is walking into the molten lava is a bad idea. Yes, of course, because molten lava is so hot, you will be burnt out. So place cobblestone to create a bridge. So what we have to do is, to move across that, we have to place some stones to create a bridge, then mine at least 2 of the iron blocks. So after moving forward, they are asking us to mine to at least 2 blocks of iron blocks. So can Lakido help me to try out that? I would be glad.
I finished in 7th line. 7 lines.
So Lakido, you have finished up to the 7th one.
No, Sarfan.
Yeah, Sharfan. So this time we'll give a chance to Lakindu. So
Okay.
after that, let's.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah.
Oh, it's great, Shafran. You're just very passionate, and we will try to motivate others also just to be passionate like you.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. You're so enthusiastic, and it's very interesting for me to do the session with people like you all.
Okay.
Yeah. So Lakindu, and it seems Max is doing a max progress as well, just like the name. So it's really nice. So it seems Lakido is not willing to respond. So Sharfan, shall we continue with your steps?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you please give me, can you please instruct me?
Okay. Move forward.
Okay, move forward.
Place cobblestones.
Okay, please. Yes, okay.
Repeat 2 times. Move forward.
Repeat 2 times, move forward. Sorry, you're asking me to place the move forward inside this repeat block?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, done.
Use repeat 2 times.
Okay.
Inside destroy block.
Okay.
And move forward. Use inside that repeat.
Inside the repeat loop, I have to place this move.
Yeah, destroy block and move forward.
Yeah, okay. So let me try this. Yes, exactly. This is correct. But let me show you all another step as well. So here, Sharfan, what we are going to do is, according to my, I'm going to move forward. This is exactly correct. There is no wrong. There is no wrong in this. This is perfect. But still, we can use some different approaches and see whether it works. Any way we can use. Whatever the steps we like, we can use. So I'm gonna just show you another method as well. So I'm gonna place the caliber stone ahead, and then I'm gonna move forward. After that, I'm gonna add a repeat block, and inside that repeat block, I'm gonna move forward and destroy block. So this is my step. So let me show you all that. Yeah, it's the same thing, but the method is a bit different. Yes. So any doubts regarding this?
Can you show your screen on that one again, please? The last few steps?
Yeah, sure.
Just, yeah, thank you.
We can use either any of these codes. This is Sharfan's, this is mine. You can use any of these. Both the things are correct.
I done 11th one.
Okay, Sharfwan. Chani seems you're okay with it. So shall we move?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So in the 11th one, you're getting a new block as well. So if I'm not mistaken, you're getting if lava ahead in the toolbox. You're getting a new block.
Yeah.
Can all of you all see that block?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So why is this is used? Any idea?
There's a repeat block, right? Kind of.
Yeah. If
With
is a
condition.
condition block. Yeah. If is a condition. For example,
Yeah. If
you
condition.
yes. For example, like in coding, I told there are three parts. One is the commands. Commands we have already seen. Repeat loops that also we have already completed. And the other one is the if statements.
If
So
sets.
Sorry,
yes,
sorry, what did
if
you call that?
statements means if yeah, there are three part programming. The first there are three concepts. So the first concept is commands. Commands, of course, we learned in the first program itself. And repeat blocks. Repeat blocks also we have learned. And then the third one is the if statements. If statements. So now I'm going to explain you all what a if statement is. For example, you find a cup of hot water. Are you going to put your hand inside that?
No.
No, exactly no, because it will burn your finger. So so what you will do is if water is cold, you will be definitely putting your hand inside. But if water is hot, you're not going to put it. So it means if something is like something, then you will be doing something. So that means that if it is controlling so many things around you, if you like, you will. If you like, you will do. So it means it is some condition. You understand? Yes.
So sorry, does that mean that at that point you're giving a little, you're giving leverage to them to kind of create the situation, understanding the situation?
Exactly. So we are letting we are letting them to think. So we are at this point we are asking the computer to think and proceed. So what we are going to do is in this program they are saying lava is hiding beneath some of these blocks, which you will need to cover up before moving forward. Yeah. So if lava is there, it's hard for us to move because it will destroy us. So to move above lava, we need to adapt some cover to move forward. And if command will come in handy here. Add a move forward command in the correct place to mine these blocks. So what you have to do is if the lava is hot at some like if there is lava at some place, you're going to add this if block and you're going to place a cobblestone above that and you're going to move. If lava is there, cobblestone will be placed. If lava is not there, cobblestone will be not there. So that's what it basically means. So did all of you all get what I'm trying to say?
Yes.
Yes, very clear. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So that's why we have added here if lava ahead do. That means here we have added a if statement as well. So already out of like in this instruction set already 6 like we have to complete 6 blocks, but already 5 blocks are completed. Let's see what the last step is. Let me run the program and see. So I hope you all can see that the cobblestone is covering up. Yes, there is another one step to be added. Anyone like to help me with that?
Excuse me.
Yes.
We have to add a move forward
Yes, we
block
have to.
after the if statement.
Yeah, okay. Is it here, Siobhan?
Inside the repeat block after the if statement.
Yeah, okay, done. So let me run the program and see. Yes, exactly. It works perfect. Thank you, Siobhan. So
Yeah, welcome.
yeah. So any doubts regarding this part, guys? Do you have any doubts to clarify with me?
No.
No. Okay. Yes, done. Okay, so let's move into the 12th step then. Now things are getting tricky. Mine 3 redstone, but don't fall in the lava. Use an if statement to place cobblestone over any lava you uncover. So here they are saying, so now it seems to be much tricky, it seems. So what we have to do is we have to mine at least 3 redstone, but we are not supposed to fall into the lava as well. So they are asking us to use some if command to place the cobblestone to cover the lava. Yes. So
I done
anyone will
with
help?
12 lines.
Sorry.
I am done with 12 lines.
You have done it with 12 lines.
Yeah.
Can I please know it?
Turn left.
Wait, turn left. Okay.
Use repeat 2 times.
Use repeat 2 times. Okay.
Inside if lava head. Use
Okay. Inside it, the if statement. Okay.
inside the if statement. Use place cobblestone and move forward.
And move forward. Okay.
Then outside the repeat 2 times. Move forward.
Move forward.
Destroy block.
Destroy block.
Move forward.
Move forward.
Turn right side.
Turn right.
Use repeat 3 times.
Repeat 3 times.
Inside that, move forward, destroy block.
Move forward. Destroy block. So thank you, Sharfan. Let me try that. Exactly. It works perfect with 12 lines of codes. So anyone having any other answers as well? It's a really good approach, Sharfan, because we have to use 14, but you have completed it within 13 lines of codes.
Thank you.
Yeah. So anyone willing to try another method as well? Any comments, guys? Chani, you have any doubts? Rachel, Aki, Akif, I guess, yes. Akif, Abdul, is everything fine? Are you guys okay with the things? No. no, we'll wait until everyone is finished. So, Abdul, what is the problem? Can you please unmute your mic and tell me if there is any problem? And congrats, Rachel. So it seems you have completed all the levels. Abdul? Oh, I solved it. Okay, so it seems good. Chani?
Excuse me.
Yes.
Can I get the code, please?
Yeah, Siobhan. For the 12th one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's visible for you now. Is it?
I can't see the first one.
Yeah, okay. Is it fine?
Still no. Oh yeah, it's okay. Can you scroll it down?
Yeah, sure.
I finished 13 with 9 lines. Sorry, 8 lines.
Yeah, that's really nice, Sharfan. Okay, Chani, it seems like you have got it. Siobhan,
Oh yeah, I'm okay now.
you're fine. Completed, right?
I have something missed.
Yes, check it, Siobhan. No problem. We can wait. If you want me to scroll up, just let me know so that I can do it for you. All good?
Yes. I completed it.
Yes.
Thanks.
Okay, so let's move into the third. Yeah, okay. Yes, so this time what we have to do is you have gathered lot of resources and built a modest home. Now lay rail from the edge of the map to the door of your house. So it seems that you have gathered so many resources and you have built a nice, but still you need a railway. You need to lay a rail so that you can move from that path to your house. So for that, I need the steps from you all to build the rail. So this time, as Shimon said that he has completed it in less number of codes, let's move into someone else's program. We'll check with that and then we'll go to the reduced program of Sharfan. So this time, I would like to ask Shimon and no, this time I would like to ask Max because he has already told me that he has completed all the programs. So Max, can you please instruct me to do the 13th one? Okay, Imad, since we could talk with Imad, Imad, can you please instruct me to do the 13th one? Imad, I hope you are hearing me clearly. Okay, Razik. So it seems you have done it.
Should
So
I try?
Razik, can you please instruct me?
Yeah. So turn right first.
Yeah. Okay. Turn right.
Then repeat 6 times.
Repeat 6 times.
Inside that, place rail and move forward.
Place rail and move forward.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then outside the repeat, turn right.
Turn. Guys. Yeah. Turn right.
And then again repeat 6 times.
Repeat 6 times.
Inside that, place rail and move forward.
Place rail and move forward. Thank you so much, Razik. So let's
You're
see
welcome.
whether this works. Yes, exactly. It's perfect. So, Sharfwan, you told me that you did it in 8 steps, 8 blocks. So, can I know that as well? Yes, I'm
Yeah,
waiting for your answer.
the same thing.
Same thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So, to complete our program for today, we just have only one program remaining. So, let's see what the last step is. Okay. So, this time, so guys, congratulations, because you have completed all the 13 steps that we need for basic programming. So it seems that you have successfully completed this puzzle, and now it's the time for you all to build your own thing. So all the instructions that we have to the last, all those things are there. So what you have to do now is you can pick any of these and build your own program so that you can complete this program. So I will be giving you all 5 to 6 minutes. Just complete it and let me know your steps so that we can try together.
Sorry, I'm not clear on the objective. So do we have to come up with our own objective of the game here?
Yeah, exactly, Chani. So up to
Oh,
this,
okay.
they have given you instructions and you have been doing what they had asked you to do. But this time,
Right.
you can do whatever you like. They have they have included all the steps that was there
Right.
from the initial stage itself. So
Okay.
you can use any number of code lines, any number of blocks, and you can build your own thing now.
Okay, clear. Thanks.
So
Thanks a lot.
yeah, okay, welcome. So I'll be giving you all 5 to 10 minutes. Just try it and let me so that we all can know what it is. We all can practice with something. So anyone who has done the 14th one? Anyone who has done something on their own? Sharfwan, have you done something?
Yeah, I done.
Can you tell me your steps so that we can try?
Turn left.
Turn left.
Repeat 2 times.
Repeat 2 times.
Move inside. Move forward.
Inside that, move forward.
Then repeat 3 times.
Repeat 3 times.
Inside that, destroy block.
Inside that, destroy block.
And move forward.
And move forward. Okay.
And inside, if water head.
So inside this repeat block, we are going to add the.
Yeah, after move.
Okay, after move if statement. Okay.
Move forward. Inside, repeat 3. Use destroy 3 blocks. Move forward and use if water head.
Water. Okay, water ahead.
Do bedrock.
So inside this repeat, inside this if statement, aren't we going to place anything, Sharfan?
Yeah, we're placing place bedrock.
Okay, place bedrock. Bedrock.
So far, I done.
Yeah, okay, let me try it. So guys, this is the program that Sharfan has done. It's really nice, Sharfan. Very good job. So next I would like to ask from Shivon. Shivon?
Yes.
Yes. Can you
I'm
tell me?
I'm still coding it.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Is there anyone else who has done this part? So you can let us know.
So the other thing I wanted to emphasize you all guys. So here there is an option called show code. So when you go to this place, you can see the code that you have written using the blocks. So this is the text format of the code that you have been doing all these times. Just go to this show code and then you can see this code. So it is something that is basically done with some text codings, and they have used some JavaScript codes here. Anyone willing to give me an answer for this next one? Anyone who can help me?
Mala, maybe you can do a sample one because we are reaching the time.
Yeah. So let's continue with. Yes.
So the first, after the block when run.
Yeah. Give me a minute. When run, okay.
Turn left.
Okay, turn left.
Turn left again.
Again, turn left.
Then put the repeat block, which is 4 times.
the repeat block for 4 times.
And
Okay.
then move forward inside it.
Move forward inside it.
And then after that, place bedrock.
Okay, place bedrock
ahead. And then again repeat block.
Okay, again repeat block.
Which is 2 times.
Okay, 2 times.
Inside it, move forward.
Okay, move forward.
And then after that, turn right.
Turn right. It should be outside the repeat loop,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Yeah, okay.
And then again repeat 4 times.
Repeat 4 times, okay.
Move forward inside it.
Move forward inside it.
And then place bedrock ahead.
Place bedrock ahead.
Miss, your I think your the fourth block. I think the fourth that repeat the first fourth one, which is multiplied by 4.
Yes.
The place bedrock should be ahead, the ahead block, no, not the normal one.
Okay.
It should be outside, miss.
This should be outside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is this correct?
I can't see because it's lagging.
Okay, we'll wait for a minute. Is it correct, Akif?
Yeah, it's correct.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. The place bedrock ahead in the next fourth one, the fourth repeat, the last.
So it should be also inside the repeat block or the outside the repeat block?
It's outside.
It's also outside, okay.
Yes, and it's a head.
Yeah, okay, it's a head one.
And then place another repeat block, which is 3 times.
Yeah, okay.
And inside it, move forward.
Inside it, move forward, okay.
And then outside it.
Yes.
Turn right.
Turn right.
And shear.
And shear. Okay. So, shall I try this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, sorry. Wow, very good job, Akif. It's perfect. So guys, hope.
Should I try one?
Yeah, Shavon, let's try one. Yeah, Shavon, please instruct me.
When run, after the run tag.
Yeah, okay.
Turn left.
Turn left. Okay.
Then repeat 2 times.
Repeat 2 times.
Inside it, move forward.
Move forward. Okay.
Then repeat 3 times.
Okay, repeat 3 times.
Inside that, destroy block.
Destroy block. Okay.
If water ahead.
I'm gonna add a if condition here. Is it correct? If water ahead. Okay.
If water ahead, inside that, place bedrock ahead.
Okay, place bedrock ahead. Okay.
After the outside the loop, move forward.
Move forward.
Turn right.
Turn right.
Repeat 9 times.
Repeat 9 times.
Move forward.
Move forward.
After that, destroy block. outside.
After that, destroy block outside. Okay.
Then repeat 2 times.
Repeat 2 times.
Inside that, turn right.
Turn right.
After that, again repeat 10 times.
Okay.
After that, again repeat 3 times, move forward.
So inside that repeat 10 times, what do I have to place? Is it move forward?
Move forward. Yeah, it's move forward.
Okay, then inside the three times repeat loop also I
Yeah,
have
move
to
forward.
use move
Move
forward.
forward.
Okay. Yeah, okay, Sharon.
After that, turn right.
Turn right.
Shear.
Shear.
Then place farmland.
Place farmland. Okay.
That's it.
Yeah, okay. So let's try this as well. So, Siobhan, I think there is some problem. If water head, place bedrock. Can you check this
Yes.
code?
Yeah, it's working.
So here, let's see. I think he's fallen into the water. I think this, if water ahead part should come to another place. Don't you think so?
Should I show my screen?
Yeah, sure, of course. I would like to see your screen. Yeah, Siobhan, share your screen.
I can't share it. Wait, so can you see it now?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Okay.
Yeah, can you run the code?
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, it seems perfect. So,
For the one more time, Chani, would you like to share your screen and show what you have done?
yes, we would be.
My one is not
We would be glad.
complicated at all like this. My one was just like really small. I'm just
Okay.
like, I was
Yeah,
listening to everyone's one and I'm like, what?
Don't worry,
Yeah, that's
you have done something.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
shared
that's
my code really simple. My code one, I just like shared it a little while ago. Let me see if I can share the screen as well.
yeah. Of course, it's not regarding whether it's complicated or it's very simple. It's the thing that whether you have learned all the basics. So we would be really glad to see all of your screens. We would be glad to see what you have been doing all this time. So Chani, don't be hesitated. We would love to see what you have done. Or else even you can instruct me so that I can do it.
Yeah, I'm just so basically I was doing it halfway, but then I started hearing everyone's stuff and I was looking at what they were doing, so I think I got distracted. But I'll just share what I did very quickly. It's very like it's really nothing compared to. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see.
So basically, it was in like I was running, and I wanted like a lit up pathway kind of thing, I guess, which I was trying to go on, and then something I realized listening to the others were that there is an option to change the material. I didn't realize that till about Sherwin's setup. So I kind of got hooked on watching it. Sorry, I didn't go forward on it.
Yeah, but it's really good. Shani, but
I would like to add a few things. That is, Shani, what we really expect through this kind of interactive classroom. So everybody should learn something from others' feedbacks. That is why we want you guys to interact. And the exact outcome of this classroom is this session is to give you basics, and you get trained about the environment, about these teams, and how to share screen, how to collaborate. This is a kind of a very beginner level training. So next day onwards, like you will see real stuff, right? Advanced stuff, kind of. You will be little, you will get mature on this.
Yeah, okay. I think I'll have to do my homework.
So Mala will show you what are the other games in this hour of code, like aquatic adventure. Likewise, you just create your account. All this is for all. In our code, you will get a lot of there's a possibility of earning a lot of certificates. So Mala, just take this stage and just like show what are the other games we don't want to play. Then after Sachin, they will get the to summarize the event. Mala, are you there? Mala, you're on mute.
I'm sorry, guys. So up to this place, we have completed 14 steps in the Minecraft game. And so to finish this one and to earn your certificate, you can click once you click is finished, you will be getting another pop-up message on your screen. So I'm waiting for the pop-up message. Right along. Hi guys, do you all hear me now?
Yes, we can.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So when you, I'll just proceed with the previous one. Yeah. So when you run this one, you get, once when it is completed, you get another button. So it's to finish this one. Click on that. So another pop-up will be appearing, say, asking you all to finish it. So just finish it. Once when you all finish this, you can earn a certificate saying that you have successfully completed this hour of coding session regarding this Minecraft game. So here you can enter your name and just submit. So you will be getting a personalized certificate. So this is my certificate that I have got through today's session. So you can either print it or you can share it on Facebook or Twitter like platforms. So is that clear, guys? Is that clear how you can get the certificate?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let me show you all other Minecraft hour of code games. So when it comes to Minecraft,
Excuse me.
yeah, sure.
In the other games also, we are getting the same certificate or different thing?
that's also something related to this, but it's something bit different.
Program name is there.
Yeah, for like for all the programs, there are different names. So you will be getting a certificate related to that name.
Okay.
Yes. So other than that, today we have completed this Minecraft adventure. So as homework, you can do this Minecraft hero journey, Minecraft voyage aquatic, Minecraft designer. So you can start all these programs and you can continue when you're free. And this is more like a game rather than hard and fast codes. So just try them, earn your certificate, and we are looking forward to see you all on the next session as well.
Yeah, Mala, just could you please go into that code.org, like not the Minecraft, the homepage?
Yes.
Our process. Then you will see the other options as well. Like just go to start learning. Where we can select the age and start on.
Yes.
Where was that?
Here it's there.
I will share. You see. Okay, just I'm referring to this page. I'm just sending on WhatsApp. Just please. Sorry, I'm saying on team chat. I share the link. Please open that one.
Yeah, sure.
Sir, excuse me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, if you can please make a group, WhatsApp group. It's easy to us.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Sachin, that's a good initiative. If you can create a group as Young Innovators Club.
Yeah, we
Yeah,
have experience also.
Yeah, it will help us when we are working on it to kind of, if we get stuck, to ask you also during the week, if that's not a problem with you guys.
No issue. Yeah, we need to support you guys. Okay, so this is kind of, you can based on your ages and everything, beginner, comfortable, you can play around with this one, because today we are only covering this part. Now it's up to you to explore number of code. So next day you will get another new stuff called Scratch. So that's why we are giving you the hint how to start. Then you have to do your homework and be ready with the next session. Hello, you want to add something?
Yeah. So guys, so depending on your age, it's not the matter of age. You might be new to programming, so just don't consider about these age categories, but just go and try them all, even if it is very small, even if it is very basic. Just try them from the beginning to the end, so it can develop your knowledge so much. And so once when you are coming for the next session, it will be a good exposure for you all to move with the future things.
Okay, thank you, Mala. So hope you got have an idea about that. So I would like to ask Sachin to get the control. Sachin, it's up to you.
Hi, so I think it was a great session. I hope everyone can hear me.
Yeah, clear enough.
So first, I would like to thank all of you all who took part. I think it was a really great session, a lot of interaction and a lot to learn. So I think this was a good base and a good understanding. And like Shamira just mentioned, I think some of you all are a bit more exposed to this, some of you all are very new to it. So this kind of brought everyone to that same base. And as we go, we'll keep adding. So like he mentioned, step by step, you'll improve yourself. It'll get tougher, but we'll grow with you and we'll definitely help you out. So thank you for joining. And also to Malar, thank you so much. I think you did a great session, and it was, I think, really helpful how you interacted with the students and gave them a chance to kind of raise their questions and clarify things. So thank you. And of course, Shamira from STEMUP. And we look forward to taking this partnership forward. All of y'all, any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to clarify. And I believe all of y'all had shared your mobile numbers, so I'll create a WhatsApp group as well. If not, just drop me a note either on this channel itself or on email, and we'll take it forward. So next session, we are hoping to schedule it in about 2 to 3 weeks. I will let you all know ahead of time, at least a week ahead, so you all can prepare and have that time allocated for this. Yeah, so have a great Saturday, everyone, and thank you again for joining us.
And one last thing I would like to add, we would love to hear your feedback. If you can just drop a mail or something to Sachindi.
Yeah.
If you want to get improved on this session, then we can work on that.
Yeah, and also if you all can maybe share your feedback and comments, even if it's on Facebook or Instagram, you can do so on our page, tag STEMUP as well, if you all enjoy this session, so it helps us share the word with others as well. Or any feedback to kind of improve, make it better for you all, our ears are open. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you all of you all for participating in this session, and thank you for giving me this chance to conduct this session today.
Okay. Anything you all would like to add?
When is our next class?
Yeah, Sharfan, probably in 2 weeks. We are looking at Saturdays, same time. I have your details, so I will drop you a note maybe a week ahead when we have the next class planned. Yeah? Okay.
Thank you all. So we are wrapping up the session then.
See y'all.
See y'all guys on next day.
See you all for today. We'll meet on the next day.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Okay, bye.